Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail security tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply protect your Gmail message with passcode and send a confidential mail to anyone in your Gmail account without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do right is to go ahead and make sure you click on compose button, and then having get to the compose button right here, go ahead and enter the recipient's email address. So like so, I'm going to go ahead and enter this recipient email address, enter the subject, my man, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to put in your message right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in how are you doing today. Okay, this is just an example mail right here. Okay, now how can you passcode this particular mail so that only people that have the passcode can have access and read this particular mail? This is a kind of confidential mail that you can send to anyone, but without a passcode, once they receive the mail, they won't be able to open the mail. So for you to passcode your mail, what you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and toggle confidential mode right here, and this is going to pop up right here. Now you can set expire. So for that, click on here. You can decide to make the mail expire in 1 day, in 1 week, in 1 month, or in 3 months, as the case may be. So I'm going to put it in 1 week right here. Now, all passcode will be generated by Google. So you have to bear in mind on that. So next thing we want to do is to switch to SMS passcode. Once you switch to SMS passcode, go ahead and click on save right here. Boom, and you have it right here. Okay. And then recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. Next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on send right here. A phone number is required so recipient can verify their identity using an SMS passcode. What this simply means is that the recipient you need to enter the recipient phone number right here. Okay, and then first thing first, go ahead and click on here and make sure you choose a country code. Like for instance, if I'm sending the mail to someone in the United States, go ahead and select the United States. I'm going to use a virtual phone number for this. So I'll go ahead and come into this particular website right here. I'm going to come into this particular website right here and get a free random virtual phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. So I will just highlight and I will just copy this phone number right here. I will come back to my Gmail, paste the phone number right here. So once I paste the phone number, I will simply click on send right here, and boom, it's that simple. By the time they want to have access to the mail, Google is going to send a verification code to that particular phone number before they can open the mail. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about confidential stuff like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.